Have you ever pondered the hidden strategies that billionaires have mastered for amassing their vast fortunes? Imagine the transformative impact if, at this very moment, a billionaire decided to unveil the wisdom behind their success. Picture yourself comfortably seated as these profound insights unfold before you, opening the door to endless possibilities. In this captivating video, we are poised to disclose those long-held secrets and provide you with the tools to integrate them into your own financial journey. Such knowledge could potentially become the catalyst that reshapes your economic future and places you on a path to unprecedented prosperity. Before we delve deeper into this fascinating world of wealth creation, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. This ensures you never miss out on any of the invaluable tips and exclusive insights that could serve as pivotal tools in transforming your financial landscape and guiding you towards a path of prosperity. Many individuals harbor dreams of attaining financial freedom, yearning for a life untethered from monetary constraints. It's a universal aspiration, weaving through the fabric of society, where the promise of abundance beckons with the allure of limitless possibilities. Yet, while countless people chase the mirage of wealth, it's a select few who manage to break free from the chains of mediocrity, scaling the heights of immense wealth with remarkable dexterity. What sets these financial titans apart from the rest? Is it simply luck, or a meticulous strategy entwined with calculated risks and unwavering determination? The journey from ordinary to extraordinary is often punctuated by key principles, and those who've bathed in the glow of success often share common attributes that propel them beyond the threshold of financial greatness. Unlocking the mysteries behind these principles requires a closer inspection of not just what billionaires do, but how they think. A mindset steeped in innovation, resilience, and tenacity is often the foundation upon which their empires are built. They don't merely adapt to change. They forecast it, molding it to their advantage. Their ability to see what others cannot, coupled with a fearless approach to seizing opportunities, plays a pivotal role in their climb to affluence. As we explore these secrets, you'll discover methods and strategies that, when applied with discipline and insight, have the potential to elevate your financial standing significantly. Deep understanding of market trends is one essential ingredient in the billionaire's playbook. It's not about following the crowd, but rather leading it through insight and foresight. By identifying nascent opportunities and acting swiftly, these financial mavens often stay ahead, creating many aspire to attain wealth, yet few fully comprehend the mindset and strategies required for authentic financial achievement. The affluent have access to particular knowledge and practices that remain elusive to the general populace. Today's discussion will lift the veil on these methods and provide insight into how you can embark on your journey towards accumulating wealth. A prevalent misconception is that financial prosperity is solely about securing a high-paying job or engaging in cost-cutting maneuvers. However, the reality is far more nuanced, often entailing a blend of shrewd work ethic, investment foresight, and strategic financial planning. The wealthy typically employ a mindset that emphasizes long-term goals over immediate gratification. They understand that riches rarely come overnight, but through consistent effort and smart choices. This mindset often begins with a thorough understanding of financial literacy, which involves more than just balancing a checkbook or budgeting. It embodies a comprehensive comprehension of how money circulates, how to leverage it, and how to make it work for you over time. Investments play a pivotal role in the journey to becoming financially well off. The rich habitually employ diverse portfolios, balancing various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other opportunities to minimize risk while optimizing potential returns. They do not rely solely on one type of investment. Instead, they strategically allocate resources, ensuring that their financial landscape can endure market fluctuations. Understanding the intricacies of market trends and the ability to foresee economic shifts allow the wealthy to make informed decisions that align with their investment goals. Networking is another cornerstone of wealth accumulation. Establishing connections with successful individuals in various fields can open doors to opportunities that would otherwise remain inaccessible. The affluent are adept at surrounding themselves with mentors and like-minded individuals who challenge and inspire them to continuously evolve. These networks often provide insights, advice, and support that can prove invaluable in navigating the less obvious pathways to wealth accumulation. A commitment to continuous learning is also characteristic of those who achieve financial success. The wealthy appreciate the value of staying informed, whether through reading extensively, attending seminars, or engaging with thought leaders across industries. This practice keeps them abreast of emerging trends, innovative strategies, and technological advancements that can enhance their financial strategies. Moreover, the rich typically possess a keen sense of frugality, avoiding wasteful expenditure and instead focusing on value. They are not easily swayed by the allure of unnecessary luxuries, but rather prioritize investments that promise returns. This could mean reinvesting in their own ventures, supporting startups with potential. When diving deeply into the mindset shared by the ultra-wealthy, one finds that a growth-oriented mentality is fundamental to their success. Billionaires intrinsically grasp the significance of staying curious and constantly seeking new knowledge, viewing learning as an ongoing process rather than a finite goal. They inherently understand the value of embracing uncertainty. Calculated risks do not intimidate them. Rather, they see those as opportunities to expand their horizons and achieve greater success. This is where the concept of an abundance mindset comes into play. Unlike a scarcity mindset, which views resources and wealth as limited, an abundance mindset sees potential everywhere and believes in the boundless possibilities for generating wealth through creativity and tenacity. Failing is not regarded as a setback, but as a stepping stone to greater achievements. These individuals often use failure as a feedback mechanism, learning from each mistake to refine their strategies and improve their approaches. They are not hindered by setbacks, but instead are motivated by them to push forward with renewed determination. This resilience is part of what sets them apart from others who might be paralyzed by fear or uncertainty. Each challenge presents a chance to innovate and improve, leading to the continuous creation of value and ultimately success. Furthermore, billionaires tend to surround themselves with diverse and knowledgeable individuals from varying fields. They appreciate the value of different perspectives and understand that collaboration can lead to more comprehensive solutions to complex problems. By building a strong network and maintaining healthy relationships with influential figures, they enhance their ability to identify opportunities and access resources that might not be available to those who choose to work in isolation. Discipline is another critical aspect that cannot be overlooked. The wealthy exhibit commendable self-control when it comes to their financial habits. They are prudent in managing their wealth, making strategic investments, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. They treat their finances with the same due diligence as a business, recognizing that sound financial management is crucial in sustaining and growing their empires over the long term. It's insightful to observe that these individuals often maintain an unwavering focus on their long-term goals while effectively managing their short-term responsibilities. They're adept at prioritizing, channeling their energy into tasks that yield the highest returns. This strategic allocation of time and resources allows them to maximize productivity without spreading themselves too thin. Additionally, philanthropy is often intertwined with the lives of billionaires. Many understand the importance of giving back and are committed to making a positive impact on society. This not only serves as a moral compass, but also reinforces their legacy. Enabling them to contribute. Understanding and managing risks is a pivotal factor in enhancing the potential for financial success. This approach is not the exclusive preserve of the ultra-wealthy. In fact, individuals at all economic levels can adopt similar strategies. For instance, investing incrementally in index funds is a prudent step that allows one to participate in the broader market without needing substantial capital upfront. Likewise, pursuing entrepreneurial ventures or side businesses aligned with one's personal skills or passions can offer a profitable outlet for individual creativity and initiative. These endeavors not only diversify income, but also provide a practical method for gaining business acumen and understanding financial markets. Transitioning to the concept of financial discipline, it's evident that wealth accumulation often hinges on meticulous financial planning. Individuals of considerable wealth consistently exhibit a remarkable ability to regulate their spending. Their strategy involves precise allocation of resources, guided by clearly defined budgets that ensure expenditures are directed toward activities or assets that promise to generate growth or deliver a positive return on investment. It's crucial to note that exercising financial self-control is not synonymous with being overly frugal or miserly. Rather, it embodies a calculated approach towards spending that prioritizes long-term value and sustainability over short-lived indulgences or transient desires. This mindset encourages careful deliberation before financial commitments, fostering an environment where money is channeled into investments that nurture further wealth generation or enhance existing assets, but rather strategic in ensuring that each dollar spent contributes toward long-term financial goals. Implementing a budget, tracking expenses, and regularly assessing financial objectives are practical ways to adopt this mindset. This isn't about restricting enjoyment, but about making informed choices that align with broader aspirations. Think of it as exchanging impulsive purchases for meaningful investments in your future. In navigating the realm of investments, those who have amassed considerable wealth often excel at identifying and capitalizing on opportunities in undervalued markets or emerging sectors long before they become common knowledge. Their approach involves in-depth research and a reliance on data-driven decisions, often accompanied by seeking out expert advice to mitigate risks. For the novice investor, this may appear intimidating. However, starting small can build confidence and knowledge over time, allowing for gradual accumulation of experience. In the world of investments, patience and knowledge are as valuable as capital itself. While it may seem complex, personal finance isn't reserved for the elite. It's accessible to anyone willing to put in the time and effort. The first step is often the hardest, but also the most rewarding. Gaining financial literacy can empower you to make choices that enhance rather than hinder, forming a solid foundation for financial stability. By setting clear objectives and sticking to your financial plan, you create a roadmap that guides your financial journey. This disciplined approach nurtures the capacity to weather financial storms and enjoy the prosperity that follows. Understanding the intricacies of financial management not only impacts your bank balance, it also enhances your life quality. With diligent saving and informed investing, one can achieve long-term security and freedom. Instead of thinking of saving as deprivation, consider it an opportunity, a path to future achievements that contribute to a sense of control and empowerment. Beyond just accumulating wealth, the journey to financial acumen involves cultivating a mindset where growth is the focal point. It's vital to cultivate a perspective where each financial action you take propels you toward your ultimate goals. The philosophy embraces adaptability, recognizing that economic landscapes shift and change, necessitating adjustments to strategies over time. The world of finance is neither static nor predictable, and nimbleness in response is a valuable asset. Engaging actively with your investments creates a dynamic relationship with your finances, one that requires maintenance and keen insight. Each decision, big or small, plays a role in shaping your financial landscape, influencing both immediate circumstances and future opportunities. As you evolve in your understanding, you equip yourself to better anticipate and navigate potential challenges. This foresight offers consistent contributions to retirement accounts, or experimenting with robo-advisors have proven effective methods for accumulating wealth over the long term. The essential strategy here is to initiate the process and maintain a disciplined approach. To provide statistical support for this strategy, let us delve into some key data. Fidelity conducted a study revealing that a notable percentage of millionaires embarked on their investment journey early by participating in their company retirement plans. They made the most of employer matches contribution programs, a practice that significantly contributed to their substantial wealth growth. Further evidence from Vanguard complements these findings by illustrating that diversifying one's investment portfolio and taking advantage of compound interest are critical components for successful wealth accumulation. This approach ensures that individuals are not only saving but also optimizing their returns, contributing to a more secure financial future. In conclusion, becoming financially successful is not reserved for a select few. By adopting the mindset and strategies that billionaires use, you can pave your own path towards financial freedom. It takes time, discipline, and a willingness to learn, but the strategies shared today can be your starting point. Don't forget to like this video if you found the tips useful and subscribe to our channel. We have a wealth of knowledge to share that can help you take control of your financial future. Explore our other videos for more tips and insights, and thank you for watching.